Okay, here's the test setup for the first ever national test of the, what's it called, the National Alert System. What we have here is we have the ICOM tuned to a Voice of America station in French on 15620. The TV is, of course, on CNBC, financial news. The little FM guy will be turned on to just a Tuscaloosa FM station. This is where we looked up all the Voice of America frequencies, and the old guy will be tuned to AM Tuscaloosa oldies. So let's I tell you what, let's pause here. Okay, here we are at 5 minutes till 1 our time. These are all the stations. Voice of America, CNBC, I think this is like 101.7 FM Tuscaloosa, and our AM oldie station. So this is what the situation is going to look like. Wow. I guess this is where we'll film it when it happens. Over. I don't know how close to 1 we are, but I guess we better start taping this.
Signing off.
Well, too bad that the Voice of America signed off right before the test. I don't know whether they would have turned them off or not. So, anyway, there it was.